Hello friends, look at this interesting power problem, that is 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 7, and we have to simplify it. Now this 3 to the power 3, now just break this 3 to the power 5 in 3 to the power 3 plus 2, and then here you break it into 3 to the power 3 plus 4. Now as you know that a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So we write 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. So and here 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Taking out 3 to the power 3 common, so you are left with 1 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 4. Now this 3 cube is 27, 1, this is 9 plus 3 to the power 4 is 81. This is 27 into, just add them up, you get 91. Now this 27 can be written as 100 minus 9, or you can write it as 27 into 100, that is 2700, and 27 into 9 is 243, and after subtraction you get 2457, and this is our required answer. I hope you like it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.